Ma Wan is a small island, about 1 square kilometer, between the much larger islands of Tsingyi and Lantau. It is best known these days for its views of the Tsingma Bridge and the shimmering new residential development of Park Island. But behind the facade of high-rises lies Ma Wan's forgotten past. Ma Wan, like many islands in this region, hosted thriving communities of fishing villages, mainly built on seafood industries like shrimp paste. Ma Wan village was once a similar thriving fishing village with stilt houses, restaurants, and a school. But now it lies completely abandoned, slowly crumbling in the grips of time. Just 15 years ago, Hong Kongers would visit Ma Wan village like they visit Tai O today, for its authentic seafood and scenery. How did it fall into ruin so dramatically? Ma Wan village is 250 years old, but the population really began to grow in the 1970s, when many villagers made their living from fisheries in the region. Life on the island remained relatively unchanged, and by the 1980s, the island housed several thousand people. This all changed in 2002, when Sun Hung Kai Properties bought almost all of the island to develop it into a residential estate, as part of the Ma Wan Development Joint Venture Project. As part of the Park Island development, high-rises were built on the island, along with Noah's Ark, a Christian theme park. To facilitate the development of Park Island, Sun Hung Kai Properties bought the entire village and the villagers' land from the government, then issued eviction notices for everyone in the village. Sun Hung Kai Properties offered villagers a 3-story house in the new Park Island complex completed in 2006 as compensation. Many villagers accepted the offer, and by 2011, most residents had been evicted from their homes. However, some remained to protest the eviction, which they deemed unfair. The property developer built Ma Wan Park and the Noah's Ark next to the village, which was seen as an effort by the property developer to ensure that villagers would leave the area. The village is now very dilapidated, but because of its unique nature, it has gotten a new life as a tourist attraction, visited by urban explorers, curious visitors, and photographers. Apart from the abandoned buildings themselves, such as the old Ma Wan Rural Committee, the village also has an old Tin Hau temple and a customs tablet from the Qing dynasty, indicating that a piece of land was borrowed here by the customs department for customs control in the marine passageway. The village remains one of Hong Kong's most unique places and stands as a stark reminder for how quickly things can change. Apart from the village itself, Ma Wan has a few beaches, great views of the Lantau Link bridges, and sunset views over the water and hills of Lantau. If you would like to visit the village for yourself, buses run from Chun Wan West, Kwai Fong, and Tsingyi MTR stations, and there's also a ferry to Park Island from Central. Google Maps directions are in the description.